Let me take you through the career opportunities with this unique MSc Biotechnology research at Ulster University, UK. A research-oriented program that strives to prepare students for job opportunities in well-renowned bioscience companies with a fantastic starting salary. Through this course, postgraduate students also continue to work on personal, professional, and intellectual development, which is beneficial for forthcoming career prospects. Skilled biotech experts teach the students about new technologies, advanced laboratory methods, problem solving, and research evolving in the biotechnology research area. This degree prepares the students to work in research positions at reputed biotech firms, or one can also choose a PhD degree in the area of their choice. Core biotechnology topics are taught to the students through lectures, seminars, laboratory sessions, group work, module assignments, problem-based learning, and private studies. Looking for more details on this course, or if you're looking for an expert advice directly from Ulster University, log on to speaktouniversity.com and book an appointment with the university delegate. Follow the link in the description.